How to use a vernier caliper for measurement. Are you looking to measure length, width, depth, or diameter of objects accurately? Look no further than the vernier caliper. First, it's important to adjust the 0 point of the vernier scale. Make sure the two scales are aligned when the jaws or the probe are closed. If they're not aligned, simply use the 0 adjustment screw to correct the alignment. Now place the object to be measured between the jaws or insert the probe into the hole. Slide the vernier scale until the jaws or the probe gently touch the object. Reading the measurement is the next step. First, read the main scale value that is just before the 0 mark of the vernier scale. This is the whole number part of the measurement. Find the mark on the vernier scale that aligns with any mark on the main scale. This is the fractional part of the measurement. Add the two parts together to get the final measurement. Lastly, don't forget to record the measurement with the appropriate unit and label. It's a good idea to measure more than once to check for accuracy and consistency. Follow, subscribe us, thank you.
Put your trust in me, I won't